Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a stylish and practical drinkware option that has been making waves in the market. Introducing the best Sage Green Tumbler available, the Whaline 12-piece set. Whether you're a fan of iced coffee, smoothies, or simply want to elevate your beverage game, these tumblers promise both style and functionality. Let's start with what's included in this set. You get 12 sage green plastic cups, each equipped with a flat lid and a matching straw. These aren't your average tumblers. They're designed for those who appreciate both aesthetics and durability. The Whaline Sage Green Tumblers are crafted from high-quality plastic, making them sturdy and reusable. The sage green color is not only elegant but also adds a touch of freshness to any occasion. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a picnic, or simply sipping your favorite beverage at home, these cups are designed to enhance your experience. Each tumbler holds up to 24 ounces of your favorite drink, providing ample space to quench your thirst. The dimensions are just right, compact enough to fit in your car's cup holder, yet large enough to keep you hydrated throughout the day. What makes these tumblers truly versatile is their wide applicability. They're perfect for everyday use in the kitchen, at the office, or even for outdoor activities like camping or barbecues. The lids ensure that your drink stays secure, whether you're on the move or relaxing at home. Made from premium plastic, these tumblers are built to last. They're resistant to fading and breakage, ensuring they remain a reliable part of your kitchen arsenal for years to come. Plus, being reusable, they're an eco-friendly alternative to disposable cups. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Imagine waking up to your favorite iced coffee or smoothie in one of these chic sage green tumblers. The color uplifts your mood, and the practical design ensures that every sip is enjoyable and mess-free. It's about combining style with functionality, something Whaline excels at. To sum it up, here are the pros: stylish sage green design, durable construction, generous capacity, and versatile usability. As for cons, some users might prefer a different material, though the plastic used here is chosen for its practicality and longevity. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your drinkware collection with a touch of elegance and practicality, the Whaline Sage Green Tumblers are an excellent choice. From their durable build to their appealing design, they tick all the boxes for both everyday use and special occasions. Check the link in the description to get your own set and elevate your drinking experience today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, stay hydrated and keep enjoying the little things that make life delightful.